So I'm going to clear out the room once the cat up there, Milo, is done eating, and then we're going to do the makeover. Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs on the Earthly Landscapes blog. So I wanted to kind of redo and revamp my pantry cat room, and I wanted to take you along the process, but before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. I'm also a residential landscape designer, so I'll have a link to my business website in the description of the video. So let me turn this camera around and show you the room. This is what I guess would be the pantry, which I've turned into a cat room. But I need to revamp it for one main reason, in that my youngest cat, Dottie, is having issues being able to properly jump up here to get to the food and water, and that will obviously be a problem, and it needs a good clean anyway. So this is what the space looks like. Up there I'm leaving it as is because it's just a cat. Two cat carriers, one inside of the other, and not gonna really do much up there. Those are actually the extra shelves from down here that I want to keep for resale value. So the plan is to still have the litter boxes down here and somehow manage to put at least one of the food trays and whatnot down here. And then, if I can maneuver this tripod over in here, if possible, have another food tray. And then what I also want to put inside the pantry, just to take up less space out here, is this vacuum. So I might put another food tray here. I like having multiple food trays because my cat Milo likes to go up there and he will actually eat up there. So I might also put a water dish over there for him. And my cat Dottie is not a tree dweller, she's the bush dweller kind of cat, so she likes to be down low. But yeah, this is what my kitchen now looks like. It's a mess, but progress. Alright, cool. So this is what the completed room looks like. The vacuum, I put it here, and then these I'm going to sell on Craigslist and or Facebook Marketplace, whichever. They don't spark joy anymore. So I put both food bowls down here to make it kind of a level playing field, essentially. And this way my cat Dottie doesn't have to jump up anymore because she just doesn't like that anymore. And then in the bucket is where I dump the food, or not the food, sorry, where I dump the litter after I clean the litter box. And then the litter that I use is by a company called OcoCat. And it is absolutely great. What they do is they take fallen trees and turn it into litter, which means that the litter is just basically wood chips. And what's cool about it is that it is water soluble, so you can flush it and it does decompose. And then obviously I have the two litter boxes down there. And I have two litter boxes because two cats. And then they have a little to-do list here. Take naps, wake mom up at 5 a.m., etc. Some plants here. And then in here I have the food bowl, the Furminator tool that I use on my cats. If you don't have one, oh my god, you gotta get one. Just YouTube search Furminator and how to use it. Oh my god. So then I have a little kind of fake Christmas tree-ish, some toys, or a toy. I use, hold on a second if I can zoom in, lavender essential oil and lemongrass oil, and I sprinkle like a drop on the actual litter once I've cleaned it. And then up here, I put an extra food bowl in case my cat Milo goes up there, because he likes to go up there and sleep. And then there's an extra food bowl for him up there if he wants it. And then way up there, I just kept it as is, which is where the two cat carriers are. Oh, and then here, little scooper thingy, and then just a dustpan and whatnot. And that's pretty much my pantry turned cat room. I don't need it for the traditional purpose of a pantry. And I actually thought about turning this into a kind of home office space, but there's no way to get actual light source here, and I thought that I might feel a bit too claustrophobic. So yeah, that's the space.